Hello students, welcome back. Now today we are going to discuss the topic rational numbers property distributivity. Distributive property of rational numbers. Already what are the properties we discussed? The closure property, commutative property, associative. Today we are going to discuss the topic distributive property. So what is meant by distributive property? A into B plus C equal to A into B plus A into C. The same way, A into B minus C equal to A into B minus A into C. So this way we can write A into bracket of B plus C equal to A into B plus A into C. The subtraction A into bracket of B minus C equal to A plus B minus A into C. So we can do some example. One by two into two plus 2 by 3 plus 5 by 3 is equal to 1 by 2 into 2 by 3 plus 1 by 2 into 5 by 3. Look here, the left hand side is inside the bracket we have to do the addition. So 1 by 2 bracket of the same denominator, so we no need to find the LCM. So simply we can add 7 by 3 equals, so we can firstly do the left hand side. So 1 by 2 into 7 by 3, it is 7 by 6. Look here, the left hand side is 7 by 6. We can go through on the right hand side. We can directly multiply 1 into 2, 2, 3 into 2, 6 plus 1 into 5, 5, 3 into 2, 6. So here is also we got the same denominator. So we can simply add. It will be 7 by 6. It will be 7 by 6. Look here, the left hand side and right hand side are equal. Do you understand the distributive property under addition? We can do the subtraction. Now we can do the subtraction of distributivity. So 1 by 2 bracket of 5 by 3 minus 2 by 3. 5 by 2 minus 2 by 3 equal to 1 by 2 into 5 by 3 minus 1 by 2 into 2 by 3. Look here, we have to multiply each number by 1 by 2. At the left hand side we subtract, after subtracting only we are doing the multiplication. So 1 by 2, what is the subtraction? 5 by 2 is 3 by 3. 3 by 3, because after subtracting we will get like this way. It is equal to, so we can do the, first we can do the left hand side. Then 1 into 3, 3 by 6. 3 by 6. This is the left hand side. We can go through on the right hand side. So 1 into 5, 5 by 6 minus, this is minus, subtraction is there, so 1 into 2, 2 by 6. It is equal to 5 by 2 equal to 3 by 6. Do you understand the addition and the subtraction of distributivity? Look here, firstly we subtract, after that we multiply the outside the bracket 1 by 2. Here we firstly multiply both numbers, then we subtracted with the answers. So do you understand the distributive property of rational numbers? So now we can do the next topic. Now next topic is rational numbers between two rational number. Rational numbers between two rational numbers, which means numbers between 5, for example 5 and 8. How many numbers between these 5 and 8? The numbers are 6, 7. 6 and 7 in between 5 and 8. So the same way we have to find out how many rational numbers means so many rational numbers in between that. So we have to find out the rational numbers between like this way, 2 rational numbers. For example, 5 by 3 and 9 by 3. 5 by 3 and 9 by 3. So the rational numbers between these two rational numbers we can say 6 by 3, 7 by 3, 8 by 3. Look here. So 5 by 3, 6 by 3, 7 by 3, 8 by 3 and 9 by 3. Look here. These numbers we can say in between 5 by 3 and 9 by 3. These three numbers we can say as these in between 5 by 3 and 5 by 3 and 9 by 3. Listen here, the denominators are same so that we can easily identify the numbers in between them. Denominators are when same, then easily we can identify the numbers in between them. But if the denominators are different, then how can we identify that? We can check the denominators are different, then how can we identify the numbers? For example, 2 by 3 and 4 by 5. 4 by 5. 2 by 3 and 4 by 5. Here we have to find out 6 rational numbers in between them. In between them, some infinite number of rational numbers in between them. Here we have to find out only 6. So find 6 rational numbers. 6 rational numbers from these. So the numbers are 2 by 3 and 4 by 5. And listen here, in between them we have to find out 6 rational numbers. And important thing is their denominators are different. The important thing is that denominators are different. So firstly we have to change the denominator to become same. Denominator becomes same. How can we change the denominator to become same? 2 by 3 and 4 by 5. The denominators are prime numbers. The denominators are prime numbers, so that the LCM must be 15. So the LCM, first we have to find out the LCM, that the denominators are prime numbers, so the LCM must be 15, which means we can change the denominator into 15. So 2 by 3 into 5 and here 4 by 5 into 3, 5 into 3. Why we are multiplying with the 5 and 3? We have to change the denominator become same. So it is equal to 10 by 15 and 12 by 15. 12 by 15. So we got 10 by 15 and 12 by 15. So in between that, how many rational numbers from this? 10 by 15 and 12 by 15 only 10. 11 by 15 only, the number only in between them is 11 by 15 only. But our question, we have to find out 6 rational numbers. How many rational numbers we have to find out? 6 rational numbers, so that it is not possible. In such cases, what can we do? We can multiply. So our number is 10 by 15 and 12 by 15. 12 by 15. So in such cases, how many rational numbers they asked to find out? More than 1. So even they asked to find out 6 rational numbers. Then we multiply with the 7. Each numbers we can multiply with the 7. 7 in the numerator and the denominator. We can multiply 7 in the numerator and denominator. For what they asked to find out are 6 rational numbers. Even they asked to find out 10 rational number, then we have to multiply with the 11. After changing the denominator becomes same, then we can multiply with the more than 1. More than 1. They asked to find out 6 rational number, then we multiply with the 7. So we got 10 into 7, that is 70 by 105. Here is 84 by 105. 84 by 105. So look here, we multiply with the 7. After that we got like this way. So how many rational numbers we have to find out? We have to find out 6. So directly we can write 71 by 105, 72 by 105, 73 by 105, 74 by 105, 75 by 105, 76 by 105, 77 by 105, etc. So how many numbers we got already? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, etc. So we got more than 6 numbers. More than 6 numbers. Do you understand this? So when we multiplying with the more than 1, then we will get the actual number of rational numbers in between them. So we can go back through our actual topic. What was that? How to firstly we want to change the denominator become same, then we multiply with the more than 1. Okay. Now we can see one example. Find 5 rational numbers between minus 3 by 2 and 5 by 3. Find 5 rationals. Here we have to find out 5 rational numbers, and before that we have to check some things, because our number, for the first number is minus 3 by 2 and 5 by 3. Minus 3 by 2 and 5 by 3. And listen here, this is negative. This is a negative integer. One is negative integer and a negative rational number. Then next is 5 by 3. And importantly, we have to find out their denominators are different. Their denominators are different. What is our first procedure? First procedure is we have to change the denominator become same. And we can see the denominators are prime numbers. So the LCM is 3 into 2, 6. LCM is equal to 3 into 2 equal to 6. LCM is 6. Okay. Then we can change the denominator become same. Minus 3 into 3 by 2 into 3 and 5 by 3. 5 into 2 by 3 into 2. Why we are multiplying with the 2? Because when we multiply with the 3 and 2, we will get the denominator become same. So it will be minus 9 by 6 and it is 10 by 6. So look here, this minus 9 and here we nothing doing, because look here, minus 9 by 6 and 10 by 6. So in between so many numbers are there, because here it is minus, it is positive. So the last thing is we multiply with the more than 1. So here we want to find out the 5 rational numbers when we want to multiply with the 6. But here nothing we want to do, because already these numbers have a huge gap. So these numbers between them we can easily write minus 8 by 6, minus 7 by 6, minus 6 by 6, minus 5 by 6, minus 4 by 6, minus 3 by 6, because these numbers are negative. So you can consider 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, etc. These numbers. So do you understand the numbers between these two? So now we can check the another example with the 2 positive numbers. 2 positive numbers. So from your textbook, the last exercise 1.2, the question number 7, find 10 rational numbers between 3 by 5 and 3 by 4. 10 rational numbers between 3 by 5 and 3 by 4. How many rational numbers? We have to find out the 10 rational numbers. 10 rational number. So the exercise 1.2, question number 7. So 3 by 5 and 3 by 4. Listen here, you suddenly will think because the numerators are same, so we can easily write. No, it is, we can't write like that way because if denominators is same, then we can write something directly. But firstly, what is the first step? First step, we want to change the denominator become same. So here is also there is no common factor between 5 and 4, so that we have to find the LCM. So LCM is equal to 5 into 4 is equal to 20. So what is our LCM? LCM is 20. What for we are finding LCM? LCM we are for finding changing the denominator become same. So 3 by 5 into 4 into 4 and 3 by 4 into 5 into 5, it will become 12 by 20 and it will become 15 by 20. Now the denominators become same and you please check the numerator 12 and 15. In between how many numbers? 13, 14, only 2 numbers in between them. How many numbers we want? We want 10 rational numbers. So that we want to multiply with what? 11. We want to multiply with the 11. So we multiply 11 with the both numbers. We can multiply 11 with the both numbers. 11 into 12. Then 2, 1, 2, 3, 132. So it will be 132 by 220, and here is 15 into 11. 15 into 11 and into 5, 1, 5, 1. 165 by 220. So look here, 132 by 220 and 165 by 220. So how many rational? So many rational numbers we can write in between them. What is our question? Just find the 10 rational number. How many rational numbers wanted to find out? 10 rational numbers. So we can write the rational numbers in between. That are 132 by 220, 133 by 220, 134 by 220, 135 by 220, 136, 137, 138, 139, 140, 141, etc. So we need only 10. So it is 132 we can consider. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 142 by 220. So do you understand how can we find out the rational numbers between two rational number? Then if the denominators are different, in case of denominators are different, at that time how can we do? First change the denominator becomes same, then multiply with the more than one what we need. Okay, then for finding a rational number between two rational numbers, so listen here, a rational, only one rational number. Sometimes that type of questions may ask, find a rational number between the given two rational number. We can do that type of one question. For that we don't need to do this type of things. So just we can say, if A and B are any two rational number, if A and B are any two rational number, then a rational number between them is, then the rational number between them is a plus b by 2. A plus b by 2. If a and b are any two rational numbers, then the rational number between them is a plus b by 2. For example, so 1 by 2 and 1 by 3. So find a rational number. Find a rational number between these two rational. Then we can do 1 by 2 plus 1 by 3 all divided by 2. 1 by 2 plus 1 by 3 all divided by 2. So the addition of different denominators, we can do the cross multiplication. It will become 3 plus 2 by 6 all divided by 2. It is equal to 5 by 6 by 2. 5 by 6 by 2. It is equal to 5 by 6 into 1 by 2. So here we have to find the reciprocal of 2 and multiply with that 5 by 6. It is equal to 5 by 6, 5 by 12. Do you understand? 5 by 12. So find a rational number between any two rational number. At that time we can do like this way. So hope you all understood. Thank you. Have a nice day.